any chance, does anyone know what the name Sheena means? It's from Scottish origin, and it means God is gracious, or God has shown us favor. And Sheena, that is you to many of us here. Her love language isn't necessarily words of affirmation, but you'll know through her service and through other ways that she cares for you. Each one in this room has experienced the way that she cares, the way that she extends excellence, whether it be in a professional setting or sa pamamaraang pag-ayos na ng buhay ng mga kaibigan niya in one way or another. Very happy to see Sheena having a big celebration like this. Happy 40th birthday. Sana when I get married, Sheena, you will be the one to arrange my wedding. So may pag-asa pa ako.
Complete attendance ako sa lahat ng events ni Mira at Kaore. Dito ako pumalya. So sorry about this, but know that in the moments that you need me the most, I will always do my best for you. Happy birthday again, Sheena. That is Darlene Tan Salazar.
Two kids. I love you both and everything that I do is for you. Thank you for coming to my life. Mas nag-flourish ang buhay ko nung dumating kayo sa akin. Ang dami nagtatanong paano ko napupull off lahat. Main reason ba't napupull off ko is because of Mira and Kaure's tatay. Ayun. Ayan. Thank you.
Let her handle everything. Like Sheena is our go-to person, and she has always been so selfless, always putting the needs of others above all, and that is what makes Sheena truly special. So tonight, this is for you. Let's celebrate. Thank you for being a blessing to our lives. And we love you very, very much, Sheena.